everyone, I hope you're all well. Welcome back to another vlog. So we are back with a holiday vlog. We have just landed in Malta and just arrived at our villa, which is absolutely lovely. I will do a little tour for you. And we were greeted by a storm, which was unusual. It was so cloudy and then suddenly it literally just poured down, like absolutely poured. But luckily the sun's come out now and everywhere's dried up a bit. So yeah, I think we're just going to have a chilled afternoon by the pool. Obviously we were traveling and everything this morning. We've been out for lunch. We went for lunch just at a little local place just down by the sea, and it was really nice to see like all the little boats bobbing around, and yeah, we had a lovely view for that. And then we had to do the supermarket trip because obviously we're staying in a self-catering villa, so we had to go to the supermarket and get all our food and stuff, but that is all done now, so we're just gonna chill, have some dinner here tonight, so I'll show you that. And yeah, I will do you a little villa tour because it is lovely. I'll start in our room which we're staying in, so I'll just show you that. It is a little bit of a tip, we've just got our stuff everywhere, as everyone does when they just arrive on holiday, I'm sure. You literally just throw everything everywhere. So I'll just show you our room. So we've got a little desk here which I've kind of claimed with all of my stuff, jewellery, bags, hair, tools and everything. And then this is my side of the bed, so I've got my bits here. Bed, which as I say, stuff everywhere, sorry about that. And then yeah, quite simple little chest of drawers, that's Will's case, and then we've got some of our clothes in the wardrobe already. These are my ones, all just folded up. And yeah, this is our room. It's a nice wide bed, which is lovely. The decor isn't quite to my taste, but it is still a lovely room. So, and then we've got an ensuite just in here. So we've got a nice walk-in shower, obviously the toilet, and then the sink and hairdryer. I have brought my own hairdryer though, because I don't know if anyone else has super thick hair and knows the struggle of these kind of hairdryers literally taking hours. So I always have to bring my own hairdryer because it literally takes about 10 minutes with this. Which one have I actually got? It's the Tresemme Smooth 2200 Smooth. This is amazing. If you've got thick hair, you need to get this hairdryer. Some jewellery bits I've brought. These are from Jewellery. These are from Naked Fashion, these bracelets. They are gorgeous. I just can't do them up on myself, so I need Will to come and put it on for me. Got some extra bits in my Astrid & Mew box. I always love bringing loads of different jewellery for holiday. I always feel like it really changes up your outfit. Oh, I've just got some simple hoops in there. Oh, it's not focusing now. Some simple hoops and this little pretty stud which I put in my third hole. And then I've got my Majuri case which has some other bits. These are my favourite earrings from Astrid & Mew. These gorgeous, I think they're called the Molten Hoop. They're amazing. I love those. And this case is super handy for trips as well from a jewellery. So you can put earrings through these holes, or you can hang necklaces or bracelets through there or on there. There's a little pouch as well. I sometimes chuck my scrunchies in there as well and things like that. Oh, which I've got out here. Silk scrunchies are the best for your hair. This one I actually got sent because I always order my Loving Tan when I buy it in the UK. I get it from Kiss of Sun, I think they're called now. I will link their website in the description. And they really kindly sent me, I think it was a really nice lip scrub and then this silk scrunchie with my order of the tan. And I haven't stopped using this. It's so nice, especially at night. So yeah, they're just my random jewellery bits I bought. it's the next morning now, and we are going today to explore around Valletta, which is kind of the main city in Malta. Malta's a really small island, by the way. I don't know if you know that, but it's quite good because obviously it means it doesn't take long to get to each place. But yeah, so we're going to go to Valletta. Obviously I'll show you around there, see what we can get up to, and then we'll probably come back for the afternoon again and spend the afternoon by the pool and get to enjoy that properly. I'm wearing my little Zara crop top and my pretty lavish skirt, and then my sandals are from iCrush. So yeah, let's go. So we are currently in Gozo, which we came by ferry from Valletta, and it's been so nice. It only took probably about 20 minutes on the ferry. It was free on the way here and then you buy your ticket to go back. I definitely recommend coming here if you're in Malta. It's a nice kind of afternoon out. We just got some lunch in Gozo and we explored like the old city, and just had a wander around all the little shops and stalls and things. But yeah, we are now back at the marina waiting for the next ferry back, and then we're going to chill again by the pool for the afternoon, and then we're going out for dinner tonight. I think we're gonna go head back towards Valletta and eat at the waterfront there, which would be really nice. This is the current view of the marina, and then the ferry comes just over here to take us back. But yeah, it's been a really nice day, so I definitely recommend hopping on the ferry and coming over to Gozo. So today we've come back to Valletta because we have hired a speedboat for the day, and it's in this beautiful marina here.